Hey everyone, welcome back to Singularity, your go-to channel for everything fighter jets, rockets, and the cutting-edge world of space exploration. Today, we're diving deep into the future of American air power, exploring the next generation of 6th-gen fighter jets and their game-changing technologies. From the Air Force's F-47 to the Navy's F/AXX, the proposed F-55, the Super F-22 concept, and the rise of loyal Wingman drones, we're unpacking it all. AI sensors, extended combat ranges, unmanned operations, and more. Buckle up, because this is going to be an exciting ride through the skies of tomorrow. Let's start with the Boeing F-47, the centerpiece of the U.S. Air Force's Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD program. Announced in March 2025, the F-47 is set to replace the legendary F-22 Raptor as America's premier air superiority fighter. Boeing won the contract over Lockheed Martin, a major upset given Lockheed's dominance with the F-22 and F-35. The F-47 is designed for the Indo-Pacific theater, where vast distances and advanced enemy air defenses demand a new breed of fighter. Official specs reveal a combat radius exceeding 1,000 nautical miles, roughly 1,150 miles, doubling the F-22's 590 nautical miles and outpacing the F-35A's 670. This extended range is critical for penetrating deep into contested areas, like China's anti-access/area denial zones. The jet will hit speeds above Mach 2, boasting advanced stealth that's tougher to detect across a wider radar spectrum than its predecessors. What makes the F-47 truly 6th gen is its integration of AI-driven sensors and compatibility with collaborative combat aircraft, or CCAs, unmanned drones that act as loyal wingmen. These drones, like Anduril's YFQ-44A Fury, can fly alongside the F-47, handling dangerous tasks like electronic warfare or reconnaissance, all coordinated through AI-enhanced networks. The Air Force plans to acquire at least 185 F-47s, with first flights targeted by 2029, a testament to Boeing's digital design process that's already flown X-plane prototypes since 2020. But with unit costs estimated at $160 to $180 million, double the F-35's price, affordability remains a concern, especially as the Air Force balances modernization with budget constraints. Now, let's shift to the Navy's F/AXX, the 6th-gen fighter poised to replace the F/A-18E/F Super Hornet and complement the F-35C in the 2030s. The Navy's NGAD program, distinct from the Air Force's, emphasizes operational reach, with a combat radius at least 25% greater than the F-35CS, likely pushing beyond 800 nautical miles. This extended range is vital for carrier-based operations across vast oceans, ensuring flexibility against distant threats. Like the F-47, the F/AXX will feature advanced AI sensors for enhanced situational awareness and seamless integration with unmanned systems, including drones for electronic warfare and strike missions. Boeing and Northrop Grumman are the remaining contenders after Lockheed Martin was eliminated in March 2025 for failing to meet the Navy's criteria. However, the F/AXX faces serious challenges. Budget constraints led the Navy to propose delaying the program in its 2025 budget, redirecting $454 million to other priorities. This delay could push contract awards back 3 years, risking a restart of the competition. Some speculate the F/AXX could evolve into or merge with another concept like the proposed F-55 as a cost-saving measure, but more on that in a moment. For now, the Navy remains committed to F/AXX's vision of a stealthy, long-range fighter that can dominate in contested environments. But funding hurdles could slow its path to the flight deck. Speaking of the F-55, let's explore this intriguing proposal from Lockheed Martin. After losing both the Air Force's F-47 and Navy's F/AXX contracts, Lockheed is doubling down on its F-35, pitching a radical upgrade dubbed the F-55. The idea is to integrate 80% of 6th-gen capabilities into the F-35's existing framework at half the cost of a new fighter like the F-47. Think of it as a NASCAR upgrade to the F-35's chassis, leveraging technologies developed for NGAD, such as advanced stealth coatings, improved passive infrared sensors, and longer-range weapons. These upgrades aim to make the F-35 harder to detect and more lethal, capable of engaging enemies before they even know it's there. The F-55 concept draws inspiration from the Navy's transition from the legacy F/A-18 Hornet to the Super Hornet, reusing infrastructure to save time and money. This aligns with a high-low strategy, where the high-end F-47 or F/AXX handles the toughest missions, while the lower-cost F-55 serves as a versatile workhorse. However, skepticism abounds. President Trump has pushed the F-55 as a twin-engine upgrade to the F-35, but experts argue that redesigning the single-engine F-35 for two engines would essentially create a new aircraft, negating cost savings. No official Pentagon plans currently exist for the F-55, making it more of a speculative pitch than a concrete program. Still, Lockheed's focus on affordability and leveraging the F-35's production line, over 1,100 jets strong, could make the F-55 a compelling option if budget pressures intensify. Next, let's talk about the Super F-22, a concept that's been floating around since Lockheed Martin pitched it to Japan in 2018. The idea was to modernize the F-22 Raptor with F-35 avionics, larger wings for a 200 nautical mile combat radius, and enhanced stealth coatings. Japan declined due to the F-22's aging architecture and high costs, but the concept has resurfaced as a potential 5.5-gen hybrid. Upgrades could include a dual-band X and L radar for broader detection, an infrared search and track system for passive targeting, and conformal fuel tanks to boost range without compromising stealth. In maritime combat, this could yield an 825 nautical mile combat radius, ideal for Pacific operations. The Super F-22 would also integrate advanced weapons like the AIM-260 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile, which uses inertial guidance, two-way data links, and active radar homing to evade enemy detection. Perhaps most exciting is the potential for unmanned operation and AI Wingman connectivity, allowing the F-22 to control drones like the F-47. While the Air Force is focused on the F-47, these upgrades could extend the F-22's service life into the 2030s, bridging the gap to 6th-gen fighters. However, the F-22's high maintenance costs and limited production, only 187 operational jets, make this a tough sell compared to new designs. Finally, let's zoom in on the loyal wingman concept, which is revolutionizing how these fighters operate. Anduril's YFQ-44. A Fury is one of two AI-enabled drones being tested to fly alongside Block 4 F-35S and the F-47. These collaborative combat aircraft can perform high-risk missions, from jamming enemy radar to delivering strikes, all while communicating seamlessly with manned fighters via AI-driven networks. Lockheed Martin has demonstrated controlling 8 drones from a single F-35, hinting at the force-multiplying potential of these systems. Beyond traditional wingmen, innovative concepts are emerging, like using cargo aircraft as drone carriers. Imagine a C-130 launching swarms of drones mid-flight, extending the reach of 6th-gen fighters. Drone refueling is another game-changer, with unmanned tankers enabling fighters to stay aloft longer, pushing combat radii even further. These advancements tie into the broader NGAD vision of a family of systems, where manned and unmanned platforms work together to overwhelm adversaries. The Air Force is also exploring pairing CCAs with B-21 stealth bombers and E-7 radar planes, creating a networked force that's adaptable and resilient. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of fighter jets, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Singularity. We're here to keep you in the loop on all things aerospace, from jets to rockets to the stars. Let us know in the comments which of these programs excites you most, or if you think the F-55 is a pipe dream or a genius move. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.